nyo ba guys, may 200 feral cats sa loob ng Disneyland sa California. They were officially hired to be the pest controller sa park. Tinutulungan nila makontrol ang population ng daga which once was a problem sa Disneyland. But thanks to these feral cats. But of course, hindi nila pwede huliin ang pinakamalaking daga na naninirahan sa Disneyland na si Mickey at Minnie Mouse. According to history, the first sightings ng mga pusang ito was right after nag-open ang Disneyland nung tinayo ang Sleeping Beauty Castle. Ginawa daw nilang tirahan ang castle na ito at nung nakita ito ni Mr. Walt Disney, nagulat siya at planong i-evict ang mga pusa kasi hindi naman kasi sila nagbabayad ng renta, diba? But the company realized na kailangan pala nila ng mga cats para tulungan sila sa kanilang rat problems. Kaya nagkaroon ng kasunduan na the cats are allowed to stay sa theme park but they have to work and take care sa mga rats. Bukod sa libreng tirahan, may mga benefits pa sila. Libre sila ng kapon, bakuna, medical care, at pagkain of course. Not bad at all. It is a win-win situation and everybody is pretty happy. The company set up homes and feeding stations para sa kanila at binibigyan sila ng medical treatments when needed. Dahil feral cats sa mga ito, Disneyland is discouraging people na i-approach sila. According sa website na disneylandcats.com, as a general rule, Disney doesn't encourage guests to get too close to the cats. In addition to the simple fact that it's never smart to try to pet a cat you don't know, these cats are often better off remaining solitary. And if these cats are becoming too friendly to humans or kapag tumanda na sila, Disney allows them to get adopted by cast members ng theme park. But hindi maiwasan na magkaroon ng mga fans sa mga cute cats na ito. Kaya gumawa na rin sila ng sariling website for the cats which is yung disneylandcats.com at may mga social media profiles na rin sila. Having cats sa Disneyland shows that amusement parks or any other businesses can coexist with cats. Instead of throwing them out or di kaya dalhin sa pound where mostly na-euthanize ang mga pusa, inalaw sila ng Disneyland na magstay. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang video natin ngayon. Thank you for watching!